these are the ones. Here, this is first, second, and this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth. So I have 5 cards. Here I did this card. The title is Happy Father's Day. The best father in the world because you are so good by Vayndan Day. Then I did this with my mom. Happy Father's Day. And I have his photo here. It's like a trophy. And I did this best award for my uncle. That goes there. I did this for my dad. It's so cool. Look, I'm going to show you a magic. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually, the trick is, you see, there's another pouch inside here. Don't worry. I'll send the link below in the description. I did this for my art lesson, but it's a bit silly. I hope you'll try it. Bye, friends. Happy Father's Day! I'm going to give a award